I'm Sue Walker, and I'm going to show you a crock-pot meatballs recipe. You will need a large bowl, measuring spoons, measuring cups, a rubber spatula, and a crock-pot. The ingredients are 1 pound of ground beef, 1 cup of cracker crumbs, 1 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of minced onion, 1 egg slightly beaten, 1/4 cup of milk, and 1 jar of marinara pasta sauce. Pour the pasta sauce into the crock pot. Mix all meatball ingredients together in a large bowl. Form the meat into 1 1/2-inch balls. As you form them, place them gently into the sauce in the crock pot. After all the meatballs are in the crock pot, use the spatula and gently make sure they are all coated with the sauce. Cook on high for 4 to 5 hours. During the cooking, gently move the meatballs around to make sure they are cooking evenly. Take out of the crock pot and serve with rice or mashed potatoes. And that's a crock-pot meatballs recipe.